Spectrum modem and router disconnections are frustrating. The primary causes are weak signal strength, faulty splitters, hardware issues, and network congestion. Spectrum modem and router disconnections are frustrating. The primary causes are weak signal strength, faulty splitters, hardware issues, and network congestion. Start by checking your modem's signal levels via its diagnostic page, usually at 192.168.100.1. Optimal levels are between -10 and +10 dBmV. Inspect splitters for damage or corrosion. Replace any low-quality ones with Spectrum-recommended brands like Antronics. Ensure proper grounding to minimize noise interference. If issues persist, Spectrum's new Smart Modem app feature uses AI to detect signal degradation and suggest fixes, such as splitter adjustments. Remember, disconnections can stem from broader network issues like overloaded nodes, especially in densely populated areas. Contact Spectrum support if basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the problem.